Tired of struggling with dry, dull, or hard-to-manage hair? Imagine a shampoo and conditioner duo that not only cleanses but also deeply repairs and protects your hair, without weighing it down. That's exactly what BioSilk Silk Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner promise, using silk proteins and botanical extracts to bring your hair back to life with a natural, radiant shine. What sets this set apart is its unique formula. The shampoo gently removes buildup while nourishing your strands with silk proteins that penetrate deeply, smoothing and conditioning from root to tip. It's designed for all hair types, whether your hair is thick, fine, or somewhere in between. The conditioner complements this by replenishing moisture and locking in shine, thanks to the same silk proteins and a blend of herbs and botanical extracts. Plus, it includes UV filters to protect your hair from damaging UVA and UVB rays, helping prevent color fading and dryness caused by sun exposure. One of the most compelling stories comes from users who have struggled with managing thick or fine hair. A grandmother shared how washing her granddaughter's long, thick hair used to be a challenge, until she discovered BioSilk. Now, washing and styling is easier, and even her fine hair benefits from the lightweight but effective formula. That's the kind of versatility and care that makes a real difference in daily hair routines. If you're looking for a hair care solution that delivers what it promises, smoothness, shine, and protection without heaviness, this shampoo and conditioner set deserves a closer look. It's not just about cleaning your hair. It's about restoring its health and glow with ingredients that work beneath the surface. Try BioSilk Silk Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner when you're ready to experience hair that feels soft, looks vibrant, and stays protected. Whether you deal with dryness, dullness, or just want to maintain your hair's natural beauty, this duo offers a simple, effective way to improve your hair care routine.